Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to add a shortcut in Google Chrome. So to demonstrate, I'm going to first open up Google Chrome. So in the Google Chrome page, you want to see shortcuts over here so that you can access the websites you want quickly. Right now, there are no shortcuts, so to enable them, what we need to do is go to the bottom right corner and click on the Customize Chrome button. Once you click on this button and scroll down, you'll see an option that says Show Shortcuts. Toggle this to be on. So as you can see, shortcuts have been toggled on. And to add a shortcut, all you have to do is click on the Add Shortcut button. And to add a shortcut, all you have to do is type in a name and the URL. So I'm going to simply type YouTube. And for the URL, I'm going to type in youtube.com. And that's about it. And when we're finished, we click on Done. So that is how we can add a shortcut. To remove a shortcut, all we have to do is hover over the shortcut and you'll see 3 dots appear. Click on the 3 dots and then click on the button that says Remove. So that is how we add a shortcut and remove a shortcut in Google Chrome. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.